Welcome to my channel. HomeKit Setup and Troubleshooting Guide. 1. Check device compatibility. Ensure your smart device supports Apple HomeKit and has the "Works with Apple HomeKit" label. 2. Update iOS. Make sure your iPhone, iPad, or Mac is running the latest version of iOS/iPadOS/macOS. 3. Connect to Wi-Fi. Ensure your HomeKit device and iPhone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, preferably 2.4 GHz for smart devices. 4. Power on the device. Plug in or turn on the HomeKit compatible device and confirm it's in pairing mode. Refer to the device manual. 5. Open Home app. On your iPhone or iPad, launch the Home app, tap the icon, and select Add Accessory. 6. Scan the code. Use your iPhone's camera to scan the HomeKit setup code on the device or its packaging. 7. Follow setup instructions. Complete the on-screen prompts to name the device, assign it to a room, and customize settings. 8. Test the device. Use the Home app or Siri to control the device and verify it responds correctly. 9. Restart the device and router. If the device doesn't connect, restart your HomeKit device and Wi-Fi router to refresh the network. Thank you for watching.